women are winning in all facets of life, including their financial journey. As per AMFI report, women now hold around 11.25 lakh crore AUM in mutual funds, which is more than the double of what it was 5 years ago. 1 in every 4 investor in mutual fund is a woman, and out of every 100 rupee which is invested in a mutual fund industry by an individual investor is a woman. And guess what? Out of every 100 rupee which is invested in a mutual fund industry, 33 rupees is contributed by a woman. Women are investing large and investing for longer. Between 2019 to 2024, average portfolio size for a woman grew by 23% as compared to just 5% for a man. Women are showing the longer commitment even in their financial journey, with a holding period of 5 years in 2024 being 21.3% as compared to a meager 8.8% in 2019. And it's not about just investing. It is also about showing a greater risk appetite. Equity allocation as a part of AUM increased from 43.3% in 2019 to 63.7% in 2024. And if you thought age meant playing it safe, well, women over the age of 58 years have an equity allocation of 53.6% in 2024. In terms of SIP as well, women's SIP AUM rose by 319.3% in absolute terms over the last 5 years. India's top 30 cities may include 75% of the total AUM, but smaller towns are not far behind. For a woman, it's no longer just about saving, it's about investing. It's about securing, safeguarding their future, living on their own terms, and building wealth. Today, they are an integral part of reshaping the financial norms. Happy Women's Day.